Hello and welcome to our new grammar lesson, Indefinite and Reflexive Pronouns. This is the school's vision, and by the end of the lesson you should be able to identify the indefinite and reflexive pronouns. So let's look at the indefinite pronouns. What is the meaning of indefinite? Means not specific. Indefinite pronouns may not refer to specific words. They do not always have definite antecedent. So, they do not have specific antecedents in the sentence. They do not refer to a noun or nouns in a sentence. Like what? For example, someone needed to press her uniform. So, here someone doesn't really refer to a specific person, but it's indefinite, not specified. Some common indefinite pronouns are listed below here. These are singular indefinite pronouns, means that in a sentence we use singular verbs, and here plural indefinite pronouns means that we have to use plural verbs with them, like singular indefinite pronouns: someone, somebody, anyone, anybody, everyone, everybody, something, no one, two words, either and each. And the plural indefinite pronouns are few, several, both, others, and many. Also we have all and some. Notice that some is plural on its own, but here someone is singular, somebody is singular. Okay, the indefinite pronouns here also we use singular verb forms with singular indefinite pronouns and plural and plural verb forms with plural indefinite pronouns, like everyone is singular, like we saw in the previous slide. Everyone wants, here the verb takes an S because the subject is singular. Wants to fly a spaceship. Here few is plural, so we don't add S to the verb, we use it in the plural form. Few do it well. So seriously, you have to study the plural and singular indefinite pronouns and memorize them. So what about the reflexive pronouns? Let's take a look. Here, the reflexive pronouns reflect the action of the verb back upon the subject. Reflexive pronouns end in self or self. So these are very easy. The reflective pronouns like himself, herself, myself, or themselves, ourselves. The cadet wanted to see the planet himself. Here, cadet means a son or daughter, or it means a trainee in the army. So anyway, it's a he, so it means he himself. Of course, these sentences are related to one of the stories. The reflexive pronoun is himself, and it refers to this word cadet. So the reflexive pronoun has an antecedent. Reflexive pronouns, here we have singular reflexive pronouns and plural reflexive pronouns. The singular reflexive pronouns include himself, herself, myself, itself, and yourself when it is singular. Okay, so the plural reflexive pronouns, ourselves, yourselves when your is used as plural, and themselves. A common mistake, please don't do it. There are no such words as himself or theirselves or theirselves or ourself. Must be ourselves. So now let's take a look at the exercises from your book. Underline the correct indefinite pronoun in parentheses to complete each sentence. The first one, does few or anyone see the horizon? So someone would come to me and say, how come we know there is no context? No, actually we should look at the verb. The verb does is singular, so choose the singular indefinite pronoun. Which one, few or anyone? Anyone? Several or everyone believe that the planet is happy. That the planet is habitable. So several or everyone. Someone will say, how do we know? We say that we look at the verb believe. Does it have an S? Of course not. So it's a plural verb. So which word here is plural? Several or everyone? Of course it's several. Many or no one? Now mind here that many, or notice here that many is plural and no one is singular. Have, what is have? Can it be with the singular? Of course no. It should be with the plural. So many have volunteered to travel to the M-class planet. Number 4, if others or somebody pilots the spaceship, like drives the spaceship, flies the spaceship. Here pilots has an S, so it's a singular. Which indefinite pronoun here is singular? Others or somebody? Sure, it's a somebody. I believe this is very easy. Write the correct reflexive pronoun to complete each sentence. We have yourselves, myself, himself, ourselves. We may have to defend what we, which reflexive pronoun refers to we? Ourselves. I, what will represent Earth command? I, which reflexive pronoun refers to I, myself. You cannot allow what to be captured by the aliens? You, yourselves. And Tom blamed. Tom is a he. So which reflexive pronoun goes with he? It's himself. Thank you so much. I hope that this lesson is very easy. I hope that everything is clear for you, and see you in the virtual classes. Thank you.